Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we are going to see a very delicious and famous Chinese recipe which is Kung Pao fish, which you can enjoy either as a starter or as a side dish along with fried rice or noodles. So let's get started with the recipe. So to make Kung Pao fish, I have taken here Basa fish cut into medium portion like this. And now I will season it with some salt as per taste. Next goes 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. For coating, I'm adding here 1/4 cup of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. This will make the fish crispy when we fry them. And 1/2 teaspoon of dark soya sauce. I'll add now few drops of water, and with clean hands we will mix all the ingredients so that they coat really well with the fish. It's important to coat the fish cubes well so that when we fry them they turn crisp and delicious. So mixing is done, and now we will let them rest for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, we'll prepare a sauce for our Kung Pao fish. For that, take a bowl and into it goes 1 teaspoon of dark soya sauce. Next goes 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Next goes 2 tablespoons of Schezwan sauce. Then goes 1 teaspoon of brown sugar to balance the taste. For seasoning, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt as per taste and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. This is cold pressed sesame oil, adding around 1/2 teaspoon of it. And this is fish sauce, adding 1 teaspoon of it. If you don't like fish sauce, you can skip it. And now I will add a little bit of water, and we'll mix all the ingredients well so that they are well combined. And our quick sauce is ready. Next, heat sufficient oil in a kadhai or deep fry pan, and when the oil is hot, we will add the coated Basa fish cubes one by one into the hot oil. Keep the flame on medium. After a while, flip the fish cubes, and on medium flame we need to fry them until they are deep golden brown from both the sides. And by now our fish cubes are fried deep golden brown from both the sides, so I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And now time to make the gravy. For that, heat a wok and into it goes 1 tablespoon of oil. And when the oil is hot, I will add some minced garlic. I have used here 3 large garlic pods, a teaspoon of minced ginger, and 4 to 5 dry red chillies. And on medium flame, we will saute them for a while until they turn aromatic. Next goes some cashews cut into half lengthwise. You can also add roasted peanuts, 1 onion cut into chunks, red, green and yellow bell peppers cut into chunks. And now we'll give this a quick stir. Also, I'll be adding babycorn sliced diagonally. Fry the babycorns for a few seconds. And now I'll quickly season the veggies with a pinch of salt. Mix this once. At this stage, I will add the white part of spring onions. Stir this once. And now time to add the prepared sauce. Coat the veggies well with the sauce, and we will let the sauce come to a boil. And at this stage, we will add a small bowl of cornflour slurry. This will help to thicken the sauce. And as the gravy or sauce starts to thicken, we will add the fried basa chunks into it. Now coat the fish cubes well with the sauce, and we will let the fish simmer in the sauce for just 1 minute so that they can absorb all the flavors of the sauce. Finally, I will add some green spring onions sliced diagonally, and our dish is now ready to be served hot. And friends, here goes our hot and delicious kung pao fish in the serving plate. Enjoy this as a starter or as a side dish along with fried rice or noodles. I'll garnish with some more spring onions on top. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious fish recipe soon. Also share your feedbacks and do subscribe my channel if you haven't yet for more interesting recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.